Compound sentences made simple. Mastering English grammar. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of English grammar. Compound sentences with the subject-verb, SV, pattern. Understanding how these sentences work will significantly improve your written and spoken English, making your communication clearer and more sophisticated. Before we delve into compound sentences, let's quickly review what a sentence is. A sentence, in its most basic form, follows the SV pattern, meaning it has a subject and a verb. The subject is who or what the sentence is about, and the verb expresses an action, occurrence, or state of the subject. For example, Sarah runs is a simple sentence with Sarah as the subject and runs as the verb. Now, let's dive into our main topic: compound sentences. A compound sentence is a type of sentence that contains at least two independent clauses. An independent clause is a group of words that can stand alone as a sentence because it contains a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought. In other words, a compound sentence is like two or more simple sentences joined together. This connection is often made using coordinating conjunctions like and, but, or so, yet, for, and, nor. Here's an example. Sarah runs and John walks. In this sentence, Sarah runs and John walks are both independent clauses that are connected by the coordinating conjunction and. When you're constructing compound sentences with the SV pattern, it's crucial to ensure that each independent clause has its subject and verb. For instance, in the sentence, my cat purrs, but my dog barks, my cat purrs, and my dog barks are independent clauses. Each clause has its subject, my cat, my dog, and verb, purrs, barks. Remember, punctuation matters too. When two independent clauses are joined with a coordinating conjunction, use a comma before the conjunction. And that's it. You've learned what compound sentences with the SV pattern are and how to construct them. Practice using them in your everyday English to improve your language skills. Remember, mastering English grammar is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to fluency. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning!